So if you have at least half a brain cell, I know you guys have been seeing that meme coins are going absolutely fucking insane. People, not even people, but literal kids are making millions of dollars by simply being at the right place at the right time. Now, most of you guys watching this video, maybe you have invested in meme coins or you're simply too scared to invest. But honestly, it's not your fault because I know with all the attention we live in, you kind of get stuck in that and you really don't know what to do, especially after like the Trump coin. People are just joining the meme coin space. Really, at the end of the day, the only people that you're making rich are the creators of these coins when you buy them. That is one thing that I noticed personally now where I'm at. And I stick only to creating coins rather than buying coins. So this platform right here, Pump.Fun, I know a lot of you guys are familiar with it. It really makes it easy for people to create coins rather than buying them. As you could see, as I've been talking, there are literally hundreds of coins being created by the second. However, the problem with this is that it just puts you at a disadvantage if you were to create a coin. It's just really, in my opinion, harder for anyone to take your shit seriously because anyone could make it with a few $100. Like a kid from fucking India could make one with like $10 in his wallet. Really, I'm not gonna buy that shit. Like, come on, bro. Like, golden balls, like, who the hell is gonna buy that? So that's just the problem with it. There are actually bigger and better DEXs over here, as you guys could see. Radium, probably one of the second most common DEX. These are a little bit more professional. So, it's pretty popular, and a lot of these projects are actually successful because they have larger market caps with a minimum of, I don't know, 100 or 200K, as you guys could see in some of them. And a lot of the other projects on Pump.Fun only have really low market caps and they're just shitty rugs. But yeah, there's the other reason why DEXs like Radium produce way better projects is that you actually need to hire a developer that knows what they're doing, because it comes to like coding and all that nerdy shit, which I am not good at and I don't have time for all that. So yeah, a lot of these projects are like legit and they just require more professional work. And for us, that's pretty difficult. And I really don't know how to do that. So yeah, as you guys could see, a lot of these projects do succeed as they have larger market caps and they're just overall way more professional than projects on Pump.Fun. So I have actually found a new website that really lets you launch a coin right here on Radium. It is going to be called coinfast.fun. I'm going to show you guys how to create the coin from start to finish, which is incredibly fast. So in this video, we're going to cover everything. So stay tuned. Like I mentioned before, it is absolutely fucking insane that you could now launch a coin on Radium without using all the professional developer shit and all that other stuff. Many investors are really, when they want to buy a coin, they're going to scan for this only. They're not going to put all that Pump.Fun and all that stuff. So, it's very important that a coin does get launched on Radium. So people don't know that I could bypass all that and launch a coin here without doing all that extra stuff. I really don't know how long this is going to last before people really catch on, but let me show you guys. So before I make a coin, I kind of like to base my trends on real life things that are happening in real life, not just a random meme coin. So I was on Twitter earlier and I was seeing that Kanye was trending and oh damn, who's that? But yeah, Kanye was trending. So I'm kind of going to base all my stuff or the coin that I'm going to make on Kanye. So yeah, guys, after doing a little bit of these trends, I found this one right here that talks about Yeezy and the collab with the Diddy shit. Well, not collab, but saying the free Diddy or whatever it is. So I went online, I found this, and I do recommend to use Canva right here since you could do the 500 by 500, which is what it requires right here on CoinFast. So after I downloaded that, it's a logo, right? I come here and the token name is going to be Free Diddy, right? Free Diddy, and the token symbol is going to be Free Diddy. So I'm going to come right here. I'm going to paste the image. It's pretty self-explanatory right there. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to select continue. And, before this, I did connect my Phantom wallet. So it's connected right there. Make sure you leave this at 9 and you leave the total supply at 1 billion. And right here, I'm just going to put something stupid. You guys could put whatever it is that you guys desire. I'm going to put these funds are to Free Diddy. You know, obviously you guys aren't going to put that. You're going to make it a little bit more professional. And these are just a little bit of the steps. But yeah, so we're going to click next. On the website, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, whatever it is, you guys could leave that blank, because at the end of the day, even if you fill it in, no one's really going to see your information. So you could just leave that shit the way it is. Right here, we're going to leave that the way it is. And when it comes to this, make sure you guys do pay attention to, so the revoke freeze, revoke mint, and the revoke update, you guys are going to want to select. So I'm going to select them right there. What this is going to do, it's obviously going to, you know, not freeze anyone's money or the token. It's not going to allow you to keep printing the supply or whatever it is. But yeah, make sure you guys keep these selected. It's important that all of them, all three of them, are going to selected. So after we did all that, put all that information there, we're going to put create token. So I'm just going to input my Phantom wallet. Unlock right there. It's going to tell you a little bit of these things that are blocked, but you're just going to continue. Trust me, this is legit, so it's not a scam or anything like that. Just continue, confirm transaction. We are going to continue again. Yes, I understand. Continue. So it's processing right there. We're just going to wait a little bit. It's confirming it, so it's just, you know, processing it now. So now we just got to wait, and it's going to pop up right now. Okay. So once the token has been successfully created, you are then just going to view it on Explorer. Right here, you're actually going to see your token right there. Don't worry about this right here. You don't have to worry about that. But yeah, this is just essentially showing you the address of your token, the freeze and mint authority, and just a bunch of other data and attributes. But this is stuff that we really don't need to worry about since our token is already created. We are then going to go back to create liquidity pool. So right here, you're going to click on that and make sure that you copy the address of your token. And right here, I am going to already have my wallet linked. I'm then going to switch this to my coin. So I'm going to paste the address of my token, and it was free Diddy, and the actual name was free Diddy. So I'm going to add the user token. We're going to see it pop up right there. You are then going to click it, and right here you are going to see your token. You are going to then click max, remove that, and put 9. So it's going to be 900 million. Remember that, 900 million. And on this part, you're going to switch it to Solana because that's the crypto we're going to be using. We're then going to put max. For the fee tier, you are going to put 2%. So 2% right there. We are then going to click initialize liquidity pool. So click that right there. I'm going to then connect my Phantom wallet right there. After that, make sure when it tells you these things, you just confirm anyway. So after you confirm, you are then going to see your token. So once your token is created, it's going to look a little bit like this. This is just an example of one of the tokens I created yesterday. As you guys could see, it got pumped, and then somehow the liquidity went away. Yes, I did rug pull the fuck out of it, and that's what you guys are going to then do once the token is pumped enough. But you know, I am saying all this for educational purposes and educational reasons, so it's up to you if you want to listen to me or not. But yeah, that is pretty much how you go about creating a coin on the new platform I found, coinfast, which is phenomenal. I highly recommend it. And yeah, that's pretty much everything. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.